Xiaomi 15T is now receiving HyperOS 3.1 based on Android 16, and while it may not look like a major revolution at first glance, this update focuses on something far more important: refinement. Instead of flashy changes, Xiaomi is working on making the entire experience smoother, more consistent, and less chaotic, turning everyday interactions into something noticeably more polished. One of the most noticeable upgrades is the redesigned Smart Island. Xiaomi continues to evolve its version of interactive UI elements around the camera area, making them more responsive and more useful. Now, instead of feeling like a simple notification space, it behaves more like a dynamic control center for music, timers, and real-time updates.
What really makes Smart Island stand out is not just how it looks, but how it reacts. The system adapts in real time depending on what you're doing, creating a smoother interaction flow. It starts to feel less like tapping static icons and more like interacting with a system that understands context and responds naturally. Multitasking has also received a thoughtful redesign. The recent apps menu now feels cleaner and more structured, making it easier to switch between tasks without getting lost. Instead of stacking windows endlessly, the system intelligently organizes them, helping users stay focused and navigate multiple apps with less effort. Behind the scenes, Xiaomi has reworked several core system apps to improve responsiveness. Applications like the camera, messages, and calendar now launch faster and feel more consistent under load. These aren't dramatic changes, but they directly impact how the device performs in real life, especially when multitasking or switching quickly between apps. HyperOS 3.1 also enhances the ecosystem experience through HyperConnect. File transfers between devices are faster, and screen mirroring is more stable than before. Xiaomi is clearly moving toward a unified ecosystem where smartphones, tablets, and laptops work together seamlessly instead of feeling like separate, disconnected devices. Visually, the system continues evolving toward a softer and more layered design language. Subtle blur effects, transparency, and smooth transitions create a sense of depth across the interface. It may not be a dramatic redesign, but it makes the UI feel more modern, lighter, and visually refined during everyday use. Perhaps the most important improvement comes in the form of stability. HyperOS 3.1 focuses on reducing lag, minimizing crashes, and ensuring a more predictable experience. These are the kinds of upgrades that users don't always notice instantly, but over time, they define whether a smartphone truly feels reliable. For everyday users, all these changes combine into a smoother and more natural experience. Apps open faster, transitions feel cleaner, and the system responds more intuitively. It's not about one standout feature. It's about improving everything just enough to make daily usage noticeably better. HyperOS 3.1 may not redefine what a smartphone is, but it shows a clear shift in focus. Instead of chasing trends, Xiaomi is refining the fundamentals: stability, usability, and consistency. And in the long run, these are the changes that actually matter, shaping how the device feels every single day.